Today we're going to talk about a crucial topic, 6 cancer-causing foods that can increase your risk despite genetics and lifestyle choices, which you should avoid for a healthier life. It's essential to be mindful of what we eat to reduce our risk of cancer. So, let's jump right in. Number 1 on our list is processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs. These meats are often loaded with preservatives and chemicals that can increase the risk of colorectal cancer. It's best to opt for lean, unprocessed meats or plant-based alternatives. Next up, sugary drinks. The excessive sugar in these beverages can lead to obesity and increase the risk of cancer, particularly in the pancreas and liver. Replace them with water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices to protect your health. Fast food is convenient, but it's also packed with unhealthy trans fats, sodium, and empty calories. Consuming too much fast food can increase the risk of various cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. Opt for homemade, healthier alternatives. Refined sugar, found in many processed foods, can lead to weight gain and inflammation, which are linked to cancer. Try to limit your consumption of sweets and choose natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead. Charred meats cooked at high temperatures can produce carcinogenic compounds. To reduce the risk, marinate your meat, flip it frequently, and cook it at lower temperatures. Grilling veggies is also a healthier option. Lastly, hydrogenated oils, often found in processed snacks, are high in unhealthy trans fats. These fats have been associated with a higher risk of cancer. Check food labels and opt for products with healthier oils like olive or coconut oil. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a significant impact on reducing your cancer risk. Instead of these cancer-causing foods, focus on a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Share this video with your loved ones, and let's take steps toward a healthier, cancer-free future together. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and lifestyle advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you